One of the major operations of the Knights Group is maintenance painting. This painting would be for industrial use mainly, where we handle the likes of the paintwork, for example, on all the feed pipe works to many of the major oil companies, gas companies, power stations, and so on. In doing this, coating systems have improved immensely over the years, but now they require specialist application, in as much as all our systems are monitored from preparation right through until finish by generally independent paint inspectors. This is as a result of long-term protection which is required. What we find is that on the maintenance operations, we offer contracts over a period of years where we try and maintain the plant within a standard that is acceptable to the client, but that is also within a cost factor. The coating suppliers, we think, give us a very, very good benefit and assistance here, in as much as with their help we draw up agreed specifications and programs as to how this work should be done to give the best result. This is something that we have spent many years developing, and I think we are, and I would hope to think, one of the best companies in Ireland to offer this particular type of service. We have just completed the full refurbishment and the coating of Hangar 6 in Dublin Airport. This was a 16,000 square metre building which required very specialist access, not only as it was an extremely difficult building to get at, but also we had to take into consideration the environment that we were working in. This project was completed this year, and it was a very, very satisfactory project to both parties. We have also completed many projects on bridges for the likes of Irish Rail all over the country, where we take over the bridge, handle all the coatings, the protection on the bridges, and also this has to be carried out in conjunction with the railways operation, high level of coordination and safety while this work is being completed. The food industry, we have completed some work for the likes of Cadbury's, where we have recoated all their internal areas of some of the production areas. Diageo, where we have worked there for perhaps now 20 years. A lot of the coatings today which are applied in various locations are specialist coatings. For example, in the food area, it must be understood that we are working in a food preparation area. The coatings have to be able to withstand the environment that's there, have to be able to be cleaned, but also during the application you cannot allow any of the foods in these areas to be contaminated by odours, etc. The majority of coatings that we use now are water-based, majority of them being a 2-pack application system, which is extremely hard wearing, etc. The pharmaceutical industry has a different type of coatings which are required, as would be in hospitals or other areas where hygiene is of a different level. All require specialist application.